Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at the 2025 Honda X-ADV 750, a bike that blends adventure and urban commuting in a way few others can. Whether you're navigating city streets or heading off the beaten path, this bike has a lot to offer. Let's start with the engine. The 2025 X-ADV 750 is powered by a 745cc parallel twin engine, which delivers a smooth yet powerful ride. It produces around 58 horsepower and 50 pounds-ft of torque, making it versatile for both highway cruising and off-road trails. The engine is paired with Honda's dual-clutch transmission, or DCT, allowing you to switch between manual and automatic modes with ease. Now, let's talk about design. Honda hasn't changed much in the looks department for 2025, and that's a good thing. The X-ADV 750 still has that rugged, adventure-focused style with sharp lines and a high stance, but it's also practical. There's a large underseat storage compartment that can fit a full-face helmet, which is rare for an adventure scooter. You'll also notice the handguards and tall windscreen, which help protect you from wind and debris on longer rides. In terms of technology, Honda has packed the X-ADV with some impressive features. There's a 5-inch TFT display with smartphone connectivity, allowing you to use GPS, manage calls, and control your music. The bike also comes with Honda's selectable torque control, which helps manage traction on different surfaces. This feature is especially useful when you're riding off-road or in wet conditions. For suspension, the X-ADV 750 is equipped with long travel, adjustable front and rear suspension, giving it the ability to tackle rough terrain while maintaining comfort. The 17-inch front wheel and 15-inch rear will come with dual-purpose tires, providing a solid grip on both pavement and dirt roads. One of the highlights of the X-ADV 750 is its upright riding position, which gives you a commanding view of the road. The seat height is set at 820 millimeters. The bike weighs in at around 238 kilograms, which is on the heavier side for a scooter, but it feels balanced thanks to its low center of gravity. In terms of fuel efficiency, the X-ADV 750 offers impressive numbers. You can expect to get around 65 miles per gallon, which means fewer stops at the pump during your rides. With a fuel tank capacity of 13.2 liters, it's designed for longer trips, without constant refueling. For 2025, Honda has introduced some new color options, including a sleek matte black and a vibrant red. These add a fresh touch to an already stylish design. Pricing is expected to start around $13,000, which is competitive for a bike. With this level of versatility and technology, that's it for today's review. Let me know in the comments what you think of the 2025 Honda X-ADV 750. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the latest bikes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.